5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16,
Ministry, organizations, educational institutions, local communities and experts to disseminate the message and practice of yoga. Collaboration with private sector bodies and associations are also being tuned to increase the spread of yoga. With these words, I would like to thank and congratulate everyone today on this landmark occasion. My compliments also to numerous organizations and people who have worked hard to make this observation a grand success. I wish you all great health and a happy International Day of Yoga.